Dear Srila Prabhupada, where would we be without you? You have given us real life and, well, a life of service to the Supreme Lord, Sri Krishna. You have given us a simple solution to follow, which is no intoxication, no meat eating, no illicit sex and no gambling, just to bring us to the human form of life. Then you have taught us how to serve Krishna by cooking for him, dressing him, making garlands for him, etc., to name just a few. You also brought us here. You also taught us how to give these Krishna books. I don't know why I can't read it. You also taught us how to give this knowledge to others by distributing his books. You said that even by reading one line of your books, your life will be successful. You have also taught us how to be clean inside by chanting Hare Krishna and outside by following the regular principles. When I first saw you, Srila Prabhupada, in 1973, speaking in the Sydney Town Hall, I had no idea that one day I could serve you every day, hear you every day, and see you every day. Indeed, this is such a blessing. Thank you, Srila Prabhupada, for giving me this opportunity to surrender unto you. Thank you for coming to this country and giving us the chance to connect with you. Srila Prabhupada, for accepting me as your disciple. Thank you so much. It makes me feel very happy and safe with the disciples.